Hey adventurers, it's time to talk about one of the most crucial skills you could ever learn in the wild, navigating with a compass. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or trekking across vast forests, knowing how to use a compass can be a real game changer. So today, Nautical Outdoors will give you some vital information to get the most out of using a compass to navigate through any adventure. First things first, let's cover the basics. A compass isn't just about finding north. It's about understanding your position relative to the environment around you. So grab that compass and let's dive in. Imagine you're lost. The first thing you want to do is to stop and assess your surroundings. Take out your compass and hold it flat in your hand. Make sure there's nothing around that could interfere with its magnetic field. Things like large metal objects or strong electrical devices. Now let's align ourselves. Turn the compass so the direction of travel arrow points straight ahead. Look down at the compass wheel and gently turn your body until the needle lines up with the marking for north. This is crucial because it sets the stage for accurate navigation. Here's a nifty trick, the catching feature. Choose a landmark in the direction you need to travel, something distinct like a large tree or a rock formation. Walk towards it without deviating. Once you arrive, pick another landmark and continue. This simple method keeps you on a straight path, preventing unnecessary detours. What if you need to get back to where you started? That's where the concept of back bearing comes in handy. Simply reverse the direction by adding or subtracting 180 degrees from your original bearing. This will guide you back on the opposite path. Remember, adventurers, practice makes perfect. Try these techniques in a local park or a safe open area before relying on them in the wilderness. Confidence in your navigation skills can literally mean the difference between being lost and finding your way back home. So strap on your boots, take your compass, and embrace the adventure with confidence. You now have the essential tricks to master wilderness navigation. Stay safe, stay sharp, and let the compass lead the way. Happy adventuring. With these tips, I hope you feel more prepared to tackle any adventure that comes your way. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep pushing your limits. See you in the wild.